slow and steady trading. This is gonna be a short one. This is Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving. So we're family at the moment, but we're still doing pretty good in the stock we in. I think it was DEFT for Wednesday before Thanksgiving. And this is gonna be a quick one, so I'm gonna hit my same point home that I hit home on a lot of videos. You don't need a bunch of money. You don't need to be debt free to get in this game. You just gotta play it small, figure out what you're doing, then go hard, okay? And do it slow and steady. That's what you gotta do. So I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving and having a good Black Friday. And we're gonna start December out. Hopefully it's a strong month and we be positive with our trading. So yeah, like I said, not a whole lot in this video. I don't got a bunch of time. Real quick, as you see, I'm not on the interstate today. I'm in the city, leaving my in-laws. So let's go ahead and get to the chart and see where we at. And the day being a half a day. Usually on Fridays, I usually sell at the end of the day, and I usually don't hold through the weekend because with the way the government's set up and everything, sometimes Mondays could be rough depending on what happened over the weekend. So usually I make a day trade on Fridays, and the market closed earlier today, so I'm not even sure if we're really gonna see much that's popping. But of course, we're gonna look for that action. If we see that action, all right. So slow and steady trading. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Let's get to the chart and see where we at before the market open. Slow and steady trading. Comment, like, subscribe. Okay, so we back in here. The Friday after Thanksgiving. We already up. This is pre-market. $63.20 in DEFT. All right. Now this is from Wednesday before Thanksgiving. As you can see, stock is currently at 155. We bought in at 127. So since we got into the stock, we made $110.64. All right. So let's look at the chart. This is slow and steady. Now remember, the account is currently at $796.40. I believe when we started this trading week, this account had, I believe it was 680. We'll have to go back and look at the videos, but I think we was at 680. So not a bad week. All right, it's slow and steady. So let's look at the chart. All right, DEFT. Remember what I said about it going up and maybe filling this gap. We come to the candle and it looked like we actually almost about to probably cross this candle. So hopefully we remain in this range when market open, and I'm gonna go ahead and sell and have the money ready for the next thing. So, and this is just, you know, snowball compounding. The money I make from this, I roll into the next one, and the account get bigger, or if it goes down a little bit, whatever it is, we roll that money into the next one. And we roll that money into the next one. I'm not sitting around. Well, don't get me wrong. You have to take your time and learn what you're doing, learn what works for you. But I see my setups, I hit it hard. I hit it hard. All right, so we wait the market open, and since we're not at work today, I don't think I'm gonna hit you with a lunch break update. It'll probably be when market over. I come back and we'll see what happened, what we did, where the account is at. Slow and steady trading. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll be back. Slow and steady trading. Comment, like, subscribe. Okay, so it's the end of the trading day. Black Friday is a half a day. Pretty slow day in the market, but we up $110.06 today. Now, keep in mind, the beginning of this trading week, this account was at $680. So we did pretty good. No, it's not no $20,000, $100,000. We about to go buy a new house tomorrow type money, but we will get there. It's a snowball. This is slow and steady trading. So, DEFT, we had this from yesterday. Gapped up this morning. Made another $86.90 in it. Okay? And then we found RVYL this morning, which I'm not in this one no more. Fridays for me is usually a day trade, buy in the morning and sell at the end of the day before market close, because over the weekend I just don't like holding too much over the weekends. No telling what might happen in the news, and Monday market could open up looking crazy. So swing during the week, I usually day trade on Friday. Okay, so we made $20.16 today. So let's look at the chart on that. Okay, so this is DEFT. This one we actually had yesterday at 127, and this is the gap up this morning that happened. The market opened around 162, and I sold the gap. As soon as it gapped up, I sold, and looked like some other people did too. But that's exactly what I did. That's how we made our money in that. Then today we found RVYL. A little late to the party on this one, because I got the alert, but I was making sure, trying to wait for it to go up just a little bit and hopefully have a strong breakout. But I think if it was a full trading day, it would have went up even more, but it wasn't a full trading day because it's Black Friday. So I got in at 36.42, and I believe I spent about $590 on this. How many ever shares I was at 0.3642 cent, which I think it was like 1,900 shares or something like that, maybe. Yeah, got in at that, and we sold, I think it was around 38, because it went down a little bit after I sold, but it's currently back up around 38 after hours. So it's probably gonna have if everything goes good, it probably have a little gap up Monday, but I already took my profits out of that, my little $23, and we're gonna move it on to the next thing come Monday. So yeah, so that's that. So we're gonna get some rest over the weekend, hang out a little bit, get ready for Monday, a whole nother week of slow and steady trading. Comment, like, subscribe.